What's up, you people? Today I'm gonna talk about animals, how good dogs attack their owners, and how good dogs, and old small dogs are worthless. I got this dog here, worthless as a peanut. He will give you a flashlight. Do not hurt him because he's worthless like a peanut. He will not attack no one. He's worthless. I still love him though. He's just a worthless dog. No, that dog is worthless. He's worthless like a peanut. He don't care about people who live here. All he does is eat human food and shit all over the house. Athena and Luna are the best dogs ever when to see a person to go off on people. Tango is worthless. He just gonna stand there and look at you and give you a flashlight. He's a worthless small dog. He's worthless like a peanut. He's worthless. Nobody loves. I love him because he's small and he's a worthless dog. My rule is to you, don't ever get a small dog. Don't ever get a small dog because the worthless. You better off with a big dog. King and Corso are the better breed. Look at Luna and Athena. Athena is a different dog breed. I still love Athena and Luna. They're the best dog ever to Crystal and James ever had. Have a lovable doggies. I used one of them for flexing my whole family. I flex. I used one dog named Athena and I flexed on them. Because Athena and Luna are the best dogs ever. When they see a person to go ape shit, that the real dogs. The real King and Corso and some other mix for Athena poo. I love the dogs. I even call Athena Watermelon Doggy the best dogs ever. My advice to you, don't ever get a small dog. Worthless piece of crap. Your best bet is a King Corso or a German Shepherd or a dog that loves you and bites everybody else. Bigger dogs are better. You can flex on people. Like I did with my family, I flexed because my family is a bunch of fucking morons. That's why I fucking flex. Sorry, my language. I'm kind of pissed off right now because I want to be safe in one friggin' house. Without people walking in and killing innocent people. I'm sorry. I want to be safe for people who live in this house. I'm sorry to be saving other people and save my own life and save other people. Out some wacko job coming with a machete or a machine gun to shoot up the place. I'm sorry. I want to be safe in this house. I apologize to be safe because you see the dog why put it up. He's a worthless dog, a worthless white piece of crap because he shit all over the house. He's a worthless crackerjacker. He's worthless. Don't ever buy a small dog. A small dog is a worthless piece of crap. I love Athena and Luna. Athena and Luna are the best dogs I ever seen, loved. I'm happy Crystal and James bought Athena and Luna Poo because Luna is the little small King Corso with a wiggly butt, and you see Athena with a long tail wagging her tail. That's why I love Athena and Luna more, because Luna wiggly butt, Athena just look at you, how dare you not pet me. They're both wonderful dogs to be with. That's why I love Athena and Luna so much, and I hate that dog. No offense. I just have to be nice to him. Now you know how worthless Tango is. Worthless. Bigger dogs are better. Bigger poops. That's why Athena and Luna are the better dogs. The number one on my list. The lovable dogs. You want a licky lick? That is Luna. She's a licky lick. Because I've been around dogs all my life. My uncles had dogs. My aunt had 2 dogs. My neighbors, when I was in Hamilton, one lady had 2 dogs. The other lady had 1 dog. The other lady beside I was living had 1 dog. All my neighbors had dogs. That's why I love big dogs. Big, lovable dogs. You don't have a big dog, you have a small shit one. What are you thinking? Buy yourself a big dog and train it to be nice to the family and for the newspaper guy and the mailman and be mean to the psychopaths out there around being dumbasses. You don't want to have a small dog. A big dog is the better key. And don't forget to get cameras pointing at your cars in the streets, because you need cameras. In this town, people have cameras. Finally, people have cameras. Now, day and age, you have to have two things: two dogs and cameras. You don't know what you can do. You don't have dogs. You need to get some dogs and cameras. Trust nobody. That's my rule. Trust nobody. Because people are afraid of their own shadow. I lock the door. I like to lock the door. I want to be safe where I live. I want to be safe. I'm used to locking the door at night because I like to be safe, not manhandled by stupid idiots outside the world. It's a bunch of idiot people. That's why have yourself big dogs and cameras. Don't have cameras in a small pipsqueak embarrassment to people. Small dogs are embarrassment. Big dogs is flexion. You don't have a dog, I feel bad for you. I know animals are a little bit more money. Bigger dogs are better. That's why I love Athena and Luna, because bigger dogs, big lovable dogs, will bite you in the ass. I know because I've been around dogs all my life. Help people, train them, the basic stuff. Everybody knows the basic tools to train bigger dogs. Because you don't have a big dog, you're worthless. You have to have weapons to save your ass. Me, I have a baseball bat and a cross stick. That's all I have, because this dog, this white dog, is a worthless piece of crap. That's why I have a bat and a cross stick. A cross stick is native. That is a sport. You run from to the end of the field to the other field. You flick it in the net. People, it's tensionist sport. It's tensionist people made the across sticks. That is the word. Back then we call them native people. Now we say indigenous, because nowadays you can't say native people. You can't even say ma'am or sir to get all offended. You say ma'am or sir, they get offended. Because they get offended. I don't know why. Old times like me, I was born in the 80s and growing up into the 90s and in the 2000s. I always say ma'am and sir. That thing is worthless. You can't even say ma'am or sir anymore. You, you the word is it or he. You can't even say he. You have to say yo or it, Mr. It, Mr. Mrs. It, or Mr. It, because now day and age you can't even say Mrs. or sir or ma'am. You This country went to shit. Goddamn man. It's this country now day and age. When I was younger, I got had to say dude or it. I have to say man. Because sorry. Because when I was younger, I have to say sir, ma'am, yes, ma'am, yes, yes, sir. Now you can't even say that. It's now it or idiot or dumbass or I don't want to say the word, the R word. It's a little bit offensive to people. Because now, day and age, you can't even say what's up. Because that is a little bit disrespectful. I'm sorry. I want to be safe in a house with foster kids. I want to be foster kids to be, safe. That is the main goal. To be safe. A dog like Tango is a worthless piece of crap. I don't know why to buy that dog that piece of crap. He shits all over the house. You let him out, he still have shit on his ass. Worthless. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the thumbs up. I get you next time.